Morning guys, good morning guys. Hope you guys are fine. Today we're going to make fire. We're going to make fire in UK Fortnite like we did yesterday. So what's going to happen here guys is just a simple thing. I'm going to start breaking this code with you guys. Actually before I go there, I think some people are confused. Guys, when I say join, let me just do this. Join WhatsApp group. Okay, so these are the details for the group. It's 300 rand. 300 rand. Once off. Then I also have books. Normally what I do, if you pay 300 rand, I also give you free books because you are part of the team. And don't relax and think like, you know what, now I'm in the group, I don't have to practice. You have to also practice so that you can understand exactly what is happening. I always tell you guys this in a daily basis because I heard someone yesterday was saying, Coach, how to get these codes? Then the reason why I cannot just expose everything like how to get the codes. What if UK Fortnite algorithm detects these videos? Then they will change. Then when they change, you start losing. So if we're winning, we're going to win. So we're going to start with this code 141. Sorry, code 141. So this is what we're going to do. I'm going to put the one at the bottom, 148. This is what I'm going to do. I'm going to cross it like this to try and make it clear. So let's say we choose a banker and say our banker is 14 or 41. And then here I say 14 or 41. Then I start adding 1 plus 41 is 42. 1 minus that is 40. And then 14 plus 1 is 15. 14 minus 1 is 13. So with this up row, you can see that it is broken. Then it's not yet done. We're going to say 1 plus 4 plus 1, we get a 6. Then we come to the bottom here. We say 14 plus 8, that's a 22. 14 minus 8 is a 6. So in your own mind, when you check these two numbers, 6 and 6, which means this number is a sure number, then, and this 14 is a sure number. As you can see, 614 or 641, or maybe 914, 941. That's how you're going to pay your numbers. Because if you don't spin, it will give you a hard time. At the end of the day, you find out that your banker came, but you did not spin the number. And then you come again and say 1 plus 48, you get 49. 1 minus 48, you get 47. Do you see? So can you please make a screenshot of this just to make sure that you are safe? Okay. Then if you check between those lines, if you say 1 plus 4 plus 3, that's a 13. So which means now we have got 3 sure numbers, 13 also if we cross. So it's 6, 13, 14. Those are sure numbers. Then if you come in the middle of these codes, again, for example, like 141 and 148. If you come to the middle of these numbers, you pick, let's say a 4, and say 4, 11. You say 4, 18. Do you see that you will have 2 pairs of 8, 4, and like 11, 4, 18, 4. So let's say we are going to do a single numbers. For example, we say 14, we say 41, we say 18, we say 11, then we say 13, we say 15, then we're going to get a 48 as well and a 49. Because I just need to break it up so that you guys won't have problems on the breaking. But you know, in a code like this, there's always a 1. There's always a 1. So it's not like you have to relax. If a code says 148, you can either play it 8, 14 or 49 there, and then you pick maybe 149. Do you see? You have to understand that kind of pairing. And then the one on top, normally it's always 1441 or what? 1444, because these numbers, they go in a combination. So yeah guys, this is what it is. I'm not trying to do so much long videos making you guys end up confused, you know. So this is what it is guys, and I'm here. If you guys are following, please come and join the WhatsApp group and also come and purchase your books. Thank you very much guys. I'll see you on the next one, definitely tea time. But for now, this is what I have. Thank you. Big up.